Hey folks, Adam here. Today we're looking at this. It's a total game changer for classrooms, offices, and even your home workspace. It's the HKMCL Smartboard. It's paired with the Smartboard Stand, which is on wheels. This is going to be a perfect way to level up your presentations, collaborate with remote teams, or create engaging classroom environment with this all-in-one interactive whiteboard. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Let's go ahead and start with the design. I absolutely love that this comes with a sleek 55-inch 4K UHD touchscreen that looks stunning. Its ultra thin bezel and flat panel gives you a modern professional vibe, perfect for both business and education. The Smartboard Stand complements it perfectly. It's a mobile portable stand that fits 55 to 86-inch boards, making this super versatile. The stand comes with smooth rolling wheels that lock in place so you can easily move it around without issues with stability. Isn't that really a cool addition as well? It's also height adjustable, which means you can customize to your audience, whether it's kids or executives in a meeting. You can adjust the height accordingly. Really cool, and it was so easy to set up. Now let's dive into what makes this Smartboard so powerful. It runs on the Android 11 system with a high-performance A7 CPU and a 32 gigabytes of storage, that's SSD. This combination ensures fast and smooth moving. That includes multitasking or running heavy software applications. Think of having a computer touchscreen whiteboard all rolled into one. Yeah. And look at this 4K display, absolutely a gorgeous 4K display. And it's ultra responsive thanks to the 8 ms response time and the infrared technology, turning it into natural smooth use for pen and paper, simultaneous to touchpads, and perfect for brainstorming sessions and interactive sessions as well. Speaking of interactivity, the board is packed with features to take your collaboration to the next level. Using the board's interactive whiteboard mode, you can write, draw, and annotate with precision, making it really perfect for everyday use. It supports cloud uploads, and you can save and share everything instantly. Something else very cool about this digital whiteboard is it's an all-in-one solution. It combines a projector, computer, television, and even a kiosk all into one. And yeah, you can use it for things like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and even Zoom meetings. You can use it to stream your videos, browse the web, or run powerful apps. The built-in speakers are clear and powerful, and it is ideal for presentations and multimedia sessions. So, realistically, the possibilities are endless. For educators, this makes lessons more interactive and engaging. You can write directly on the screen, share with your students, and even use real-time apps to enhance learning. For business professionals, this is a game changer. You can brainstorm, present, collaborate, and you can use this with remote teams all at once. And of course, for home use, this is great for virtual calls, streaming, and watching your favorite shows. It comes with everything you need: the smartboard, the wall mounting, the hardware, the pens, the remote, and the cabling. It is perfect for your functionality and everything you need, whether that's classroom, home, or working from the office. This will elevate your space. Folks, you're going to want to go ahead and check this out. All right, folks, once again, my name is Adam. We're talking about the most elite products in all the land, and this one is truly a winner. Go check it out. This is a great 55-inch smartboard, and you're absolutely going to love it. Your students are going to love it. Your coworkers are going to love it, and this is going to elevate your life. When it comes down to it, this cannot be beat. So go check it out. You will not be disappointed. I couldn't recommend this more. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.